What if I tell you more than half the vegetables we eat daily are not from India? Yes, you heard it right. Let's know the origin of many vegetables we use in our daily life. Potato, Indian origin? No, came from South America. Tomato, Indian origin? No, came from Peru, Mexico. Capsicum, Indian origin? No, came from South America. Cauliflower, Indian origin? No, came from Europe. Cabbage, Indian origin? No, came from Europe. Carrot, Indian origin? No, came from Central Asia. Lady's finger, Indian origin? No, came from Africa. Corn, Indian origin? No, came from Central America. Sweet potato, Indian origin? No, came from South America. Bell pepper, Indian origin? No, came from Central America. Pumpkin, Indian origin? No, came from South America. Spinach, Indian origin? No, came from Persia. Turnip, Indian origin? No, came from Europe. Beetroot, Indian origin? No, came from Mediterranean coast. Broccoli, Indian origin? No, came from Italy.